sin square theta plus sin square 60 minus theta plus sin square 60 plus theta, always 3 by 2. This is sin square theta as it is will write. Sin square 60 minus theta also as it is I will write. And the sin square theta I will write as 1 minus cos square theta. Because there is no sin square plus sin square, but there is a formula for sin square minus cos square or cos square minus sin square. So I am writing this is 1 minus cos square. Sin square theta, I am writing it as 1 minus cos square theta. Now, if I take minus common from these two and 1 I am writing in the beginning. 1 plus sin square theta minus of cos square 60 plus theta minus sin square 60 minus theta. I am just taking minus common from these two. So becomes cos square 60 plus theta minus sin square 60 minus theta. Now I got cos square A minus cos sin square B. Means cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos square A minus sin square B is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. You know the formula. So we are going to use that. Cos A plus B means cos of 60 plus theta plus 60 minus theta. A plus B 60 plus theta plus 60 minus theta into cos of A minus B 60 plus theta minus 60 minus of minus plus theta. So theta cancels here, 60 cancels here. Now this becomes 1 plus sin square theta minus, this is cos 120. Cos 120 means minus 1 by 2 into this is cos theta plus theta, cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta minus 1 by 2 into cos 2 theta. This cos 2 theta I can write in terms of sin or cos. So what I want to say is this is equal to 1 plus sin square theta minus half into minus to minus plus half into cos 2 theta. I can write as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now if I open the brackets here, 1 plus sin square theta plus 1 by 2 minus half into 2 cancel sin minus sin square theta. Sin square cancel, left out is 3 by 2. So what I want to say is sin square theta plus sin square 60 minus theta plus sin square 60 plus theta always equal to 3 by 2. In place of 60, if you take 120 or 240 or 300 as usually the same result you will get. Now the same I can write this similarly I can prove for cos also. So what I want to say is cos square theta plus cos square 60 minus theta plus cos square 60 plus theta is also equal to 3 by 2. Is also equal to 3 by 2. If A plus B equal to 60 degrees, then cos square A plus cos square B minus cos A cos B equal to 3 by 4. We'll prove this. Given that A plus B is 60 means A equal to 60 minus B plus B goes to that side. Now if I apply cos on both sides, this becomes cos A equal to cos of 60 minus B. Now this is cos of A minus B formula. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos of A minus B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now this is equal to cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 cos B I can write. Plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 sin B I can write. Now if I bring half cos B to this side and squaring on both sides so that root will get cancelled. So what I want to write is cos A minus half cos B equal to root 3 by 2 sin B equal to root 3 by 2 sin B. Now if I go for squaring on both sides, SODS, what happens? Let us see. Squaring on both sides. This is A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. 2 gets cancelled, cos A cos B equal to root 3 by 2 whole square means 3 by 4 sine square b. 3 by 4 sine square b. Now I got everything in cos, there is no sine. So I will convert sine square into 1 minus cos square now. So what I want to say is this I can write as 3 by 4 into 1 minus cos square b, and open the brackets, 3 by 4 cos square b to this side. So becomes cos square b plus 1 by 4 cos square b. This is minus 3 by 4 cos square b comes inside, plus 3 by 4 cos square b minus cos a cos b equal to 3 by 4 into 1, 3 by 4 left out. Now 1 by 4, 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1 cos square b. So what I want to say is this is cos square a plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 becomes 1 cos square. So cos square b minus cos square b minus cos a cos b equal to 3 by 4. Hence proved. Similarly, we can prove if it is a minus b equal to 60 degrees, the same result. Cos square a plus cos square b minus cos a cos b equal to 3 by 4. How the same result? Minus b comes inside, becomes plus b. Now this is cos of 60 plus b. Now cos of a plus b formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So this becomes minus. Now this is minus root 3 by 2 sin b. Now squaring on both sides, remaining part doesn't change, same result you get. So similarly, if a minus b is 60, the same result. A plus b 60 or a minus b 60. But cos square a plus cos square b minus cos a cos b is equal to 3 by 4. Similarly, we can prove for sin also. If a plus b equal to 60, sin square a plus sin square b plus sin a sin b is 3 by 4. And if a minus b is 60, then sin square a plus sin square b minus sin a sin b equal to 3 by 4. Similarly, I can prove all this. Sin cube theta plus sin cube 60 minus theta minus sin cube 60 plus theta is equal to minus 3 by 4 sin 3 theta. Like this is a cube minus b cube, simplifying and you will get that. Same. Sin cube theta minus sin cube of 120 minus theta plus sin cube of 120 plus theta equal to minus 3 by 4 sin 3 theta. Like cos cube theta minus cos cube 60 minus theta minus cos cube 60 plus theta equal to 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. And cos cube theta plus cos cube 120 minus theta plus cos cube 120 plus theta is 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. And instead of 60, if I keep 240, means instead of 60, here 120 I can keep 240 and 60 I can keep 300. Doesn't change. Means sin cube theta plus sin cube of 300 minus theta minus sin cube of 300 plus theta is also 3 minus 3 by 4 sin 3 theta. Similarly, sin cube theta minus sin cube 240 minus theta plus sin cube 240 plus theta is minus 3 by 4 sin 3 theta. Same for cos also. And root of 2 plus and so on till n times of this root is always equal to 2 into cos of pi by 2 power n plus 1. This you can prove using mathematical induction. Root of 2 plus and so on, root of 2 plus cos theta for n times, this is equal to 2 into cos of theta by 2 power n. This root is for n times. Now we'll prove this simply, very simple, same standard rule, but we'll prove once. So this is 2 plus root of 2 plus and so on n times. This is 2 plus. If I take 2 common from these two, this becomes 2 into 1 plus cos theta. 2 into 1 plus cos. Now 2 plus root of 2 plus and so on root of 2 into 1 plus cos theta I can write as 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta I can write as 2 cos square theta by 2. Now 2 into 2 becomes 4. Root 4 is 2. So again now this becomes like, here there will be root of and so on. So this is 2 plus, this becomes 2 cos theta by 2. So what I want to say is, for the second time it becomes 2 plus root of 2 plus, this is now 2 into 2, 4 and so on. In this last bracket, this part will become like 2 plus 2 cos theta by 2. This part is 2 cos theta by 2. Again, if I take 2 common, this becomes cos theta by cos square 2 cos square theta by 4. So what I want to say is this is 2 plus and so on. This part if I take 2 common, again becomes 2 cos square theta by 2 becomes theta by 4 is 2 square. Like this for n times if I continue, so becomes theta by n. So final result is 2 cos theta by 2 power n. This is theta by 2 square. First time it is theta by 2 when it is coming out of the root. Now second time this is cos square theta by 2 square. So root and square will get cancelled as usually, becomes cos theta by 2 square for the second time. Third time theta by 2 cube and so on for nth time theta by 2 power n. Similarly this also we can prove easily. Cos theta into, this is very important proof, cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta and so on cos of 2 power n minus 1 theta we have. So if I multiply both numerator and denominator with 2 sin theta, so that value will not change. So 2 sin theta cancels, left out is given for LHS only, I am not changing the given LHS. So now 2 sin theta cos theta becomes sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta and so on cos of 2 power n minus 1 into theta. And here left out is 1 by 2 sin theta. Now if I do into 2 by 2 again, so first time it is becoming 2 theta, next time sin 2 theta again, 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, so becomes sin 4 theta like this. So second time it is becoming 4 theta, like nth time it will be becoming n theta. This is 2 power n minus 1 times. So n minus 1 time it becomes 2 power n theta like this. So finally here the result is 2 into 2 sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta and so on cos of 2 power n minus 1 theta by, this is 2 into 2 already. So becomes 4 sin theta or 2 square sin theta. Again if I multiply numerator denominator with 2, then this becomes 2 cube for the third time and so on till n times if I continue. So final result is this becomes simply sin of 2 power n theta, this reduces to sin of 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta, 2 power n sin theta. Here itself we can. Modulus of cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2. We can write as root of cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 whole square. Root square gets cancelled, modulus only left out is plus or minus, square means root means. Now this I can write as a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Sin square plus cos square is 1 and this is 2 sin a cos a becomes sin 2a, becomes 2 into a by 2 sin a. So what I want to say is modulus of cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 is root of 1 minus sin a. Similarly modulus of cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 is root of 1 plus sin a. Same I can do plus here. So this is plus. So becomes 1 plus sin a. From these two I will come to a conclusion now. Tan of pi by 4 minus a by 2. Tan of pi by 4 minus a by 2. What happens? We'll see. So tan theta, tan a minus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b means tan pi by 4 1 minus tan b is tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan a tan b, tan pi by 4 1 into tan a by 2. Now this I can write as sin by cos, this also I can write as sin by cos. So what is the use of writing sin by cos? So I can write as cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 by cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2. Observe. What I want to say is this is sin by cos. This is also sin by cos. Taking LCM and cancelling cos. So left out is cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 by cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2. Cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 is root of 1 minus sin a. Cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 is root of 1 plus sin a. So final result is 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Similarly, I can prove for pi by 4 plus a by 2 means reciprocal of this is 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. So what I want to say is tan of pi by 4 plus a by 2 equal to root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. I can write equal to p plus q by p minus 2. Then cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 equal to how much? Given in MCET 2001. Now we will discuss some of the MCET questions, previous MCET questions and JEE questions. So this is the first question in page 120. MCET question, first question. See, cosecant theta equal to is giving. So from this I can write sin theta first. Sin theta equal to p minus q by p plus q. Reciprocal of cosecant is sin, or reciprocal of sin is cosecant. So sin theta is this. Now is giving. He is asking about cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Just now only we discussed tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. This is that only. Observe. Cot theta is tan 90 minus theta only. So tan of pi by 2 minus of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 I can write. Cot theta is tan 90 minus theta. If I take LCM and apply, simplifying, what do I get? Pi by 2 minus pi by 4 becomes pi by 4 minus theta by 2. So just now only we derived a formula tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. That is root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Just now only we discussed it. So this is equal to root of 1 minus, what is sin theta is giving? P minus q by p plus q. By same 1 plus p minus q by p plus q. If you take the LCM, so what happens? P plus q minus p plus q becomes 2q by p plus q, and here also p plus q. If I take LCM, p plus q plus p minus q becomes 2p, and p plus q gets cancelled. Left out is root of q by p. Root of q by p. Second option. Our answer is second option, root of q by p. Cos square 76 plus cos square 16 minus cos 76 into cos 16 equal to how much is asking? A 1 by 2, B 0, C minus 1 by 4, D 3 by 4. You can solve this easily, but I gave a standard result and I proved that if A plus B equal to 60 or A minus B equal to 60, then I told you cos square A plus cos square B minus cos A cos B equal to 3 by 4. Equal to 3 by 5. Just now only I proved. So using that result, I can do this. See, 76 minus 16, 60 only. So A minus B, 76 minus 16 equal to 60 degrees only. Means A minus B equal to 60. Means I can use this result. So cos square A plus cos square B minus cos A cos B is 3 by 4. So our answer is option D. Our option is answer option D. Okay. Sigma of k equal to 1 to 3. Cos square of 2k minus 1 into pi by 12 equal to how much is this? K equal to 1 to 3 and sigma means adding all. When k equal to 1, k equal to 2, k equal to 3. So I can write the given condition like this by applying k equal to 1 to 3. If I apply k equal to 1, this becomes pi by 12. K equal to 2, 4 minus 1 means 3 pi by 12. And k equal to 3, 6 minus 1, 5 pi by 12. So cos square 5 pi by 12. This value is asking simply. Cos square 5 by 12 plus cos square 3 pi by 12 plus cos square 5 pi by 12. First of all, I can cancel this for 4 times. And adding these two, I will get pi by 2. pi by 12 plus 5 pi by 12. 6 pi by 12 is pi by 2. Means pi by 12 I can write as pi by 2 minus pi by 12. So what I want to write is cos square pi by 12 plus this is cos square pi by 4 is 45 degrees as it is, right? And this is cos square theta, cos square 5 pi by 12 I will write as pi by 2 minus pi by 12. So 5 pi by 12 only. Now this is cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So cos square pi by 12 plus this is 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 whole square becomes 1 by 2. Now this is cos 90 minus theta sin theta means sin square pi by 12. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. 1 plus 1 by 2 becomes 3 by 2. So our option is D. 3 by 2. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So our option is D. Tan 9 minus tan 27 minus tan 63 plus tan 81 equal to how much? Given an answer 2004. So if you observe these two, 9 plus 81 is 90 degrees. 27 plus 63 is 90 degrees. So write like the previous sum, 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta. So this can be written as tan 9 and this part I will write first. Tan of 90 minus 9, 81 I can write as 90 minus 9 minus tan 27 as it is. Again this is tan of 63 as 90 minus 27. 90 minus 27, 63. Now this is equal to tan 9 plus tan 90 minus theta is cot theta becomes cot 9. Cot 9 I can write as 1 by tan 9. So I am writing it as 1 by tan 9. And if I take minus common from these two, again this is tan 27 plus tan 90 minus theta cot theta, that is 1 by tan theta. So I am writing it as 1 by tan 27. Now if I take LCM as tan 9, this becomes 1 plus tan square 9 or tan square 9 plus 1 by tan 9. Again this also same. Tan 27 if I take LCM, this becomes tan square 27 plus 1 or 1 plus tan square 27, doesn't matter. Now what I want to say is into 2 by 2 here, into 2 by 2 here, what happens? This is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta sin 2 theta reciprocal. So becomes 2 into sin 2 theta reciprocal becomes 1 by sin 18 or I will write as cosecant 18. Cosecant 18 or 1 by sin 18, doesn't matter. Minus coming to this 2 into same sin 2 theta. 2 into 27 is 54. So better I will write 1 by sin 18 only so that it will be easy for you. 1 by sin 18, we know sin 18 value, we will substitute. And this is also 1 by, this is sin 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, sin 2 theta, that is sin of 2 into 27, that is 54 degrees. So this is 2 into sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So 4 goes to numerator. 4 by root 5 minus 1 minus 2 into again same. Sin 54 is cos 36. That is root 5 plus 1 by 4. So 4 goes to numerator. Again this becomes root 5 plus 1. So that I can take LCM of both. And 8 common. If I take 8 common and taking LCM as root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1 is LCM. Here root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 minus 1 becomes minus root 5 minus of minus plus 1. So root 5 cancels. 8 into 2 by this a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 5 minus 1, 4. So what I want to say is 4 2 ja. So final answer is 2 2 ja 4. So our option is A. Our option is A. See again tan 9. This 81 I am writing it as 90 minus 9 minus tan 27. This 63 I am writing it as 90 minus 27. Now tan 90 minus theta cot theta. That cot theta I am writing it as 1 by tan theta. This also tan 90 minus theta cot theta I am writing it as 1 by tan theta. Now I am taking LCM of these two. So tan square 9 plus 1 by 2 tan 9. So into 2 by 2. So that This is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 by sin 18. This also 2 into 1 by sin 54. Sin 54 is sin 90 minus 36 becomes cos 36. Cos 36 sin 18 one and same, only difference is minus. Sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Simplifying, I got 4. So our answer is A. Tan 3A by tan A equal to A implies sin 3A by A equal to how much it does. So I'll simplify this first, then I will go further. Tan 3A, can I write as sin 3A by cos 3A. By tan A, I can write as sin A by cos A. So what is the use of writing like this? Tan 3A, I am writing it as sin 3A by cos 3A. Tan A as sin A by cos A is equal to A, we gave. Now why I am writing this is, sin 3A formula I know. What is that? 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A by cos 3A formula I know. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A into, this is reciprocal effect, cos A by sin A equal to A. So this implies, if I take cos common and cancel, sin common and cancel, left out here is 3 minus 4 sin square A, because I took sin common and cancel with this, and cos common and cancel with that, becomes 4 cos square A minus 3 equal to A. Equal to A. Now cross multiplying and converting all cos in terms of sin, because I need sin 3A by sin A. So I want to convert cos into sin, then do it. So what I want to say is, this is cross multiplying 3 minus 4 sin square A equal to A into 4 cos square A minus 3. So this becomes 4A into cos square A, I will again write as 1 minus sin square A, because I need everything in terms of sin, minus 3A as it is. Now what I want to say is, if I open the brackets, this is 4 into 1, 4A minus 3A becomes 1A minus 4A sin square A, 4A sin square A. Now this 4A sin square A to this side, 3 to that side, so becomes 4A sin square A comes to this side, 4A sin square A minus 4 sin square A equal to A minus 3, plus 3 goes to that side, minus 3. Now I can take sin square A common, becomes sin square A equal to A minus 3 by 4 into A minus 1, or 4A minus 4. This here I am taking sin square A common, becomes 4A minus 1, 4 into A minus 1. Now see what happens. Actually what I need now, what I need is, if I take sin 3A, I need sin 3A by sin A. What is sin 3A by sin A? Sin 3A is 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A, and sin A I get, if I cancel, becomes 3 minus 4 sin square A I need. So what I want to say is, 3 minus, this 4 if I write here, instead of 4 sin square A here, I can write A minus 3 by A minus 1. A minus 3 by A minus 1. Now if I take A minus 1 common, LCM, so this becomes 3A minus 3 minus A plus 3. 3 cancel, becomes 2A by A minus 1. 2A by A minus 1. Our option is B, 2A by A minus 1. This tan 3A I am writing is sin 3A by cos 3A, tan theta. Again tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Now sin 3 theta formula I know. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta formula, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This by sin A cos A, if I write reciprocal into, this by becomes into. Sin A by cos A, I am writing reciprocal cos A by sin A. So is equal to A, he has he gave. Now I am taking sin A common here, cos A common here, cancelling. Left out is 3 minus 4 sin square A by 4 cos square A minus 3 equal to A. Here I am going for cross multiplication. So becomes 3 minus 4 sin square a equal to 4a into cos square a minus 3a. So with this cos square a, again I am writing it as 1 minus sin square a. Becomes 4a minus 3a becomes a. 4a into sin square a, 4a sin square a as it is. Now this 4a sin square a to this side plus 3 to that side. 4a sin square a minus 4 sin square a equal to a minus 3. Now I am taking 4 sin square a common. Left out is a minus 1. So a minus 1 to that side becomes 4 sin square a equal to a minus 3 by a minus 1. This value I am substituting in the required value of sin 3a by sin a. If I take sin a common, I am cancelling 3 minus 4 sin square a. Instead of 4 sin square a, I can substitute a minus 3 by a minus 1. If I take LCM and simplify, I got 2a by a minus 1. Option B.